Are you looking at getting a new set of wheels for your truck, or just need to replace those old rusty lug nuts? In today's video, we'll show you the SplineDrive Lug Nuts from McGard. The McGard SplineDrive Lug Nuts offer a perfect combination of style and performance with its low-profile design engineered to fit smaller diameter recesses in your wheels. McGard lug nuts are 30% lighter in weight, are rust, chip, and peel resistant, and come in either chrome or black. Each lug nut is machined from chemistry steel. They are also plated with 3 layers of nickel and 1 layer of microporous chrome or black, resulting in a superior finish that is rust resistant. These lug nuts are designed for alloy wheels only. Please check your aftermarket wheels for proper fitment and application. It is recommended to use the McGard SplineDrive installation tool while installing or removing your McGard SplineDrive lug nuts. Take dependability and style to the next level with McGard SplineDrive lug nuts. To find out more about the McGard SplineDrive lug nuts and get a set for your truck, check out xdp.com today.